What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are still playing with the Diff. So, like I mentioned in the last video, I had my buddy weld it. I brought the argon, he had the welding rod, and he hooked it up. So I decided to grind it down a little, make it look a little nicer, take the sharp edges down, because once again, I use chunks of the old PPF here. That's some thick shit. So let me flip this around so you get a closer look, which I didn't do in the last video. So as you see, one plate, two plate, one really big third plate, and like I said, I've been slowly taking some of the edging off, make it look a little nicer. I know you're not going to see that top part, but I wanted it to not have any sharp edges, so I still got a little bit more to do down there. And I'll probably throw a coat of paint on it, probably. So, already put on the front half and siliconed it. Now I'm just waiting for it dry and throwing a gang load of shaved metal at it. Some of you might be saying, hey, those are ugly welds or whatever the hell. Free is free, my friends, and it is not going to come off. If anything, I should break the diff inside and not just the arm where it usually breaks, and it is heavily fortified. I thought about plating this side of it, but I ran out of time and I just want to get this done. Like I said, this will get me going again until I get probably the V8 Roadsters kit, because my luck, I ordered made an offer on eBay for a $390 limited slip get rag differential off a 07 Solstice, and I thought knocking down $100 they were going to be like, no, but they're like, sure thing, 2 minutes later. So hey, sorry Monster Miata, but that, what I paid for that plus their stage 1 kit, I'm only in it like $2,300 tops. If I blow it up, or like I said, I get more money, 8.8 would be way better, I believe, because what does everyone do with their Cadillacs or other stuff that runs that rear end? They get an 8.8. If you have an RX-7, what do? You get an 8.8. You know, if you have a Chevy, what do? Well, you get a 9-inch, but anyways. So let me finish cleaning this up. I'm going to throw some paint on it, throw it on the car, and we'll cut back to that. So, got our CX Racing PPF delete, at least on the diff side. Let me flip this around. So, this is what it is. This is cast, and then you have this one little bolt holding it in. It's always throwing me off, but then again, all it's trying to do is trying to keep the diff from shooting up. So, it's slotted, I don't know if you can see this, back to forth, and not up and down. So you could slide them out this way, that way, but you can't slide it up and down. And then this, as far as these guys run down, they ain't coming loose. Maybe I need a washer on here, I don't know. And then I finished massaging this down. As far as I'm going to go, no sharp edges, nothing's going to get me. So there we go, people. Let me get this in the car. So I don't know where this video is exactly, but I'm going to paint it. My go-to is the Rust-Oleum. This is the hammer finish. This is what I did all the trim on the Bug and everything else. This is the blue. Rust-Oleum again, nothing special. This is the gloss Maui blue that I did my Bug. Now that every manufacturer is now kind of using this color. But this is what I painted the whole car with, at least the Beetle. So I am going to clean this and spray it. Let's see if we can do a time lapse with this. There we go, people. Paint fast, open the door. I had a fan going, you know, the garage is open, but still, ventilation's everything. But I'm done. That's how it's going to look. I flip it. Paint hides the crimes. Still, but once the paint dries, you get that, as you can see already, the orange peeling, the hammer finish. This is it. So might need a little on the bottom there, but other than that, people, that's it for now. So once again, once this dries up a little better, here's the other side of it. Yeah, quick spray paint. I've had it, on and off, whatever. It's cheap enough, and you can make ugly things look okay for now. So I know you didn't see the greatest prep work in cleaning it, but that someone took off enough shit, and Rust-Oleum seems to stick pretty well. Not sponsored by them, but I do really like, their paints, their primers, shit like that, Other than that, people, let me get this dry off and put it in the car. That I could drive my car again. Anyways, to the next scene. So here we are, painted up, mounted in. Gotta finish tying up the last of the bolts. But that's how she looks with everything loose right now. Here's my Godspeed coilovers, my exhaust. There it is, people. My little add-on bracket, since this cross member didn't come with it. And I think my paint job came out okay. I mean, something's better than nothing. And there's my fueling. Then I have a huge cavity up here. So, anyways, here we are, people, working on the car. So I am finally done. It's all bolted in, filled with gear oil. I had some 90 weight, or I'm sorry, 75/90 STP, not sponsored, but hey, I had it, I used it, and it's nice, new, and clean. So, to recap, too much boost, probably too heavy of a car, and the fact that I didn't plate the factory arm caused it to snap off. So you get spare parts, I guess, or broken parts, or one hell of a weight. So you can see the notches right there. That's exactly where it snapped. So in the previous video, you saw that I had it plated. I painted it with my favorite Rust-Oleum, and it looks half decent under the car. And then it drives. It's fixed. On a side note, I did win the bid for that Diff there, so I have a Solstice 3.9 ring and pinion diff, and I'm looking into collecting funds so I could get the stage 1 kit through V8 Roadsters. So I'm going to go that route. As much as I want to do Monster Miata stuff, yeah, I'm going to go this route because that was way cheaper right now. If I do end up going, full-blown LS turbo in here, yeah, a Ford 8.8, that's built, would be the key to go. I mean, that's what the Cadillac CTS-V people were doing. That's what you do with an ARC-7. You put a 8.8 or 9-inch in all your fast cars, or a Winter's Quick Change, or something of a stupid money. But right now, it is what it is, people. I hope you enjoyed my crappy footage. I appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, and until next time, peace out.